Methods of cooking food. Food can be cooked in many ways. In some methods of cooking, water is used. Food can also be cooked without water. One of the simplest methods of cooking food with water is boiling. The food item with water is put into a pan or a wok and boiled. Rice, pulses, vegetables, and eggs are cooked by boiling. Steaming is done in a pressure cooker or a steamer. Water is poured into the utensil and boiled. The steam cooks the food. Dhoklas, idlis, and momos are steamed. Frying, baking, grilling, and roasting are some methods of cooking food without water. Frying is a method of cooking food in hot oil or ghee. Fried food contains a lot of oil and should be eaten in small quantities. In baking, the food is put into an oven or a microwave oven and heated for a long time without exposing it directly to the flames. Bread, cakes, and biscuits are made by baking. In grilling, food is placed on a metal grill or a grill pan. Heat is applied by placing heated charcoal under the grill. The food cooks quickly. Meat, vegetables, paneer, and sandwiches are usually grilled. Food is roasted by cooking it over a fire or in an oven. Hot air surrounds the food and cooks it evenly. Meat, fish, vegetables, chapatis, and dry fruits are cooked by roasting.